Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a scholarship in Qatar University. Securing a scholarship can significantly ease your academic journey, covering various expenses. Qatar University offers a range of scholarships designed to support both local and international students pursuing their higher education goals. We'll explore the different types available, their benefits, and the essential steps you need to take to submit a successful application. Get ready to learn how to fund your studies at this prestigious institution. Qatar University provides several scholarship options, including the highly competitive Qatar University Scholarship and the prestigious the Emir's Scholarship, alongside specific awards for GCC students. Eligibility often hinges on strong academic merit, typically requiring a high school GPA of at least 85% or equivalent. Your standardized test scores and active participation in extracurricular activities also play a crucial role in demonstrating your potential and commitment. Understanding these criteria is your first step towards a successful application. The application process for Qatar University scholarships is straightforward, but requires careful attention to detail. You'll need to submit an online application form through the university's official admissions portal. Essential documents typically include your official academic transcripts, 2 letters of recommendation from teachers or mentors, and a compelling personal statement outlining your academic aspirations. Remember, adhering strictly to all application deadlines is absolutely critical to ensure your application is considered for these valuable opportunities. To maximize your chances of securing a scholarship, focus on maintaining an exceptional academic record throughout your studies. Beyond grades, actively engage in leadership roles and community service, as these experiences significantly strengthen your profile. Craft a powerful personal statement that genuinely reflects your passion for your chosen field, your future goals, and how a Qatar University scholarship will help you achieve them. A well-rounded and thoughtful application truly stands out to the selection committee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.